This garden egg stew reminds me of my bestie who became my sister. I would say my blood sister. It's not my blood, but we were just like blood sisters. Mavis. She likes garden egg stew with rice. I'm here to try that. The way she likes it, and a lot of people have been saying it is so good. So we are making garden egg stew today. Hey, nice to meet you. Let's get started. So I have my fish here. Okay, I don't know whether this is jasin, but it looks like opa. Yes, opa and the jasin or the PS looks similar. So I'll just go ahead and add my natural spice blend I made at home. So that is herbs and natural spices. Okay, I've added some salt and fish seasoning. I'm just going to make sure they dissolve in the water, and then I've added some chili oil. This chili oil, la la la. The way it's hot, it's very hot. Yes, so I will leave it in the water for some few minutes, maybe 30 minutes. Then I'm going to put it in my air fryer. You can grill it or make it anyhow you want it, but for now we are just going to boil our garden eggs and our eggs. After that, I have my tomatoes, pepper, ginger, garlic, onion. I'm going to blend that as well. Now the fish has rested in the water for 30 minutes, and I'm just going to put this in my air fryer, and then we proceed. See that? So beautiful. So the garden eggs is ready, and I'm going to grind that as well. If you want to blend it, you can blend it, but I want it very rough. Okay, if you watch me till this point, hello, have you subscribed? Please, if you haven't, can you do that for me? Subscribe for more videos, and I'll be very, very happy about that. So our fish is ready. Just look at that. So beautiful. Yes, so beautiful. So my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos, and I do appreciate it. Now let's proceed to the garden eggs that we were grinding, and we are done with that as well. In my cooking pot, I will pour some jomi, as you will call it, zomi. Yes, jomi in my pot, and this thing is also ready here. My eggs, and I have some salted tilapia here. I will pour in the jomi and then fry it a bit, then add my chopped onion. When I visited my brother-in-law and I was making the onion like this, he was telling me, "Hey, I'm better." That is just by the way. Every African woman prefer using the hand than the chopping board. Yes. Most of us, not everyone. So I'm just going to add my fish, and I forgot to tell you, I'm going to use Kako. Yes, my Kako. So that is what I've added. See the smile on my face and the joy on my face when I saw Kako. Oh, Amma. So I'll go ahead and add my homemade spice and herbs blend, and I'm not going to add any seasoning now because of the Kako and the Kobe. Yes, and I'm not going to add any salt now. So after that, I will just add my garden eggs we grinded and wait for some few minutes. I added seasoning later, and it is ready. Oh my goodness, I really enjoyed myself with this and some yam, some punao, and trust me, it was so nice. It's been a very long time I ate yam, and this one, Midi yam or nankasa. Yam nankasa kwa feel say medino. That is just by the way. See you in the next video. And please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Thank you.